Hello guys, it's Liam from CazTech and welcome to a new video today. Now, before I get started, I am now an official reseller for the company Mr12Volt, and they make Android Auto and CarPlay boxes for many different types of vehicles, so BMW, Mercedes, Audis, all sorts. You can check out through their website what the products they actually sell, but obviously I'm now a reseller so I can offer a discount, so I'll leave my details down below in the video description where you can get hold of me and make an order for yourself. So today we're going to be unboxing this product and showing you guys what you get in the package, and this is the CCC system for the BMWs. So as you can see, it comes in a nice well presented black box with obviously the Mr12Volt logo, and obviously inside is going to be all the contents, including the box for the CCC setup on BMWs. So as you can see, the CCC model comes in this kind of shiny gloss blue. Just before we get started on showing you what's in the box and a bit more information, is that these are the latest versions. So obviously the DSP issues have all been resolved, everything's been resolved, and these are good to go. But yeah, CCC comes in obviously this shiny blue. I think the MBT does as well, but if I quickly just show you this, a video coming soon on the channel is the CIC model for the BMWs, and that comes in grey. But obviously back to the CCC, as you can see with the unit, you have on the front, you have an a micro SD card slot. Looks like you have some little LED lights there, potentially a reset button, and the Mr12Volt logo has been ingrained on the device. Obviously the same logo on the top printed. On the back you have your connections, so obviously mic in, LVDS in, LVDS out, MOST, and the power connection. So once we remove the top part of the box, underneath is all of your cables and connections that you will need, and we'll run through these one by one. On the back of the device you have what looks like to be a table. And this is obviously where you can control these little switches over here. It tells you what configuration you might need. As you can see, you've got model series, so these CCCs are the P2000-MD, and it looks like it's got a 2023-3 build date. As you can see, a current unit with obviously all of the updates required and no problems. So we're just going to run through now what you get in the box. So the first one is the MOST optical cable. The next thing, it looks like some kind of bridge connector or loop. Same again with the orange wire and black connector. Then you have your LVDS cable for CCC, so you've got obviously a white cable connector and a black one here. Then you have your microphone, because obviously the CCC doesn't support the OEM microphone, so they will provide you with one. And then here is your main loom connection. I'm going to get this cable tie undone and talk you through all the options on here and spread them out so it gives you guys a detailed look. So on one end you have your main two power blocks. As you can see, they're joined together in a splitter here. Then it will feed to the main connector, which is the one, basically this white connector here goes into the main power connector on the CCC unit. Then you have all of your camera inputs, well obviously one for power, one for inputs. I think there's obviously front cam, rear cam, and this one is right cam input. So these are all camera based, and then you have a USB connector on the other end. So just to give you guys some information before I finish up on my video of the CCC system, we're currently making our own user manuals for these, for the CIC, CCC and MBT. So that'll be available shortly to our customers. And also you might be wondering, why would I buy this box over an MMI box, for example? Well, they plug in via aux, so there will always be a degrade in obviously the audio quality. These plug into the MOST system of the car through the fiber optic network of the car, so there's no loss in audio quality, and that is the main benefit over these, well obviously with these over their competitors. But that is going to conclude my unboxing of the Mr12Volt CCC Android Auto and CarPlay box for obviously BMWs. Head over to their website for more information, or if you're interested in buying one at a discounted price, then I'll leave my contact details below this video. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please do leave a like rating, and any questions you may have you can leave a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been Liam from CazTech, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.